Another story is creating fear inside the Indian community in Texas itself. And this one, it feels straight out of a crime thriller. Ladies and gentlemen, a very mysterious gang targeting Indian homes has reportedly become active in Houston. But what makes this story deeply disturbing is this. The thieves appear to be targeting gold specifically, not phones, not laptops, not any expensive electronics, just gold. In fact, one Indian student, originally from Ahmedabad, that's in India, revealed that nearly $12,000 worth of gold was stolen from her apartment in Houston. She had recently married in America, and the jewelry gifted during her wedding, it was reportedly stored very safely inside a bag at home. But when she returned one evening, the closet door, it was open and the gold, it had vanished. And you know what? Then came the shocking discovery. Within days, residents, they reportedly learned that 7 homes in the same area, they had been robbed. 6 out of these 7 homes belonged to Indians. One belonged to Chinese resident, by the way, and that pattern, it immediately raised a lot of suspicion because investigators and residents, they now believe that this gang, it carefully studies its target from right before the striking. Reports claim that the thieves, they almost target ground floor apartments and homes where women live alone, or maybe where men, they are not regularly present. In fact, in one case, a Nepali resident reportedly stepped out to Walmart for just 1 hour, and the thieves, they allegedly escaped with $7,500 in cash and gold. In fact, another family reportedly lost about 100 grams of gold jewelry. And you know what is making the residents even more furious is the alleged lack of response. Yes, victims say that there were no proper security system, no CCTV cameras, and a very little urgency shown during investigations. In fact, some residents claim police did not even properly inspect the crime scene after the robberies. So tonight, fear is definitely spreading across Indian communities in Texas because many immigrants now feel that they are being specifically watched and targeted just because of their cultural reality. Indian families often keep large amount of gold jewelry at home, and maybe they think that's their fault. Ladies and gentlemen, not just these 3. Another Indian origin name is now making headlines inside the American justice system, this time in New Jersey. Well, an Indian national identified as Dhananjay Singh has reportedly been sentenced to 41 months in prison after the US authorities accused him of running a massive fraud operation involving fake mobile phone insurance claims.